Okay, we are sat in this lovely little Morris 1000. This is a lovely car, it's ready to be enjoyed. We've just been out and about doing some videos with it. It just drives absolutely spot on. It's got some nice upgrades. It's got this lovely steering wheel with a proper horn in the middle. Just little things that are so helpful. You know, somebody's put a 12-volt socket there so you can charge some stuff up as you're going along. Everything's working with it. You know, all the indicators, including the end of the stalks, flashing away. The heater works on both settings. Just a nice car, really. And as you've seen with the service history and the pictures and all the invoices, someone spent an absolute fortune on it. So we're going to go off for a bit of a test drive and see what we think of it going down the road. I'm just going to have to put this fan on because it's a grotty day and we're still out. It really is in good condition, ready to enjoy this car, and you know, you could really just jump in this, go and have some fun. Lovely thing. It's not the best of days making this video, but you can see we've got upgraded front seats here with seat belts. We've got rear seat belts. Just lovely all around, absolutely solid underneath. It's as good underneath as it is on top. Right bonny little car. I'm going to put the roof up in a minute and take some more pictures of it. Carpets are good, the seats tilt forward so you can get properly in the back there, look. Everything is just as it should be. It's a right nice car. One to enjoy. If it was mine, personally, if I was keeping it, I would probably put mini light alloys on, but that's a personal choice. You can decide yourself where you want to go with that. Look down the line, it's all good. Generally a really nice car all round. And it's in really good working condition. We've had it out 50 times over Christmas. Had a few of the relatives looking around the village in it. A lovely, lovely car. Okay, just a little video, just have a look under the bonnet here of this lovely little Morris and point out a few of the things that has been done to it. Just generally look at the condition of the car and the engine, manifold bolts, plugs, new wiring harness obviously right throughout of it. Battery, you know, the looks to be fresh, the hyper motor looks fresh, battery clamp looks brand new. We've got down here we've got a servo brake assister which is running up here. An adaptation on the manifold, sucking the vacuum from there. We've got an alternator conversion. You know, these are sensible upgrades. They've not been done to change the car in any way physically, but just to make it a more drivable car in today's conditions. Look, that radiator looks to be brand new. And as you can see down here, it is just immaculate. So completely sorted under here. Lovely little car. New copper brake pipes there that you can see. More new copper brake pipes down the bottom there. Just all round really well sorted buggy. Okay, we're battling along. We're just coming up to about 40 miles an hour. The speedo's working. I'm going to do a very hard brake test. Stop right now. That was very good. Real sharp and short stopping distance. Anyone familiar with buggy will appreciate how hood up now. I just wanted to show you the car with the hood up. As with everything else on the car, the hood is in really good condition. It's not a cheap, proper mohair kind of hood. It's not cracked or anything whatsoever in that back window. There's an invoice in the service file for the hood that it cost about £800. No issues, folds up as it should do. Okay, we're going to turn around here and go back up the hill, but whilst we're turning around, I'll just show you the vehicle on the front. There's no noises or anything with this car. There's no playing at the steering. If I do that steering, that's turned. It's a really good mechanical car. Right, we're going to go zoom in or monkeying off up this hill. And I'm sure you've seen from the pictures on the bonnet, the engine is in lovely condition. Everything's been sorted with it. Here we go, pulling up the hill now. In fourth gear. Getting ourselves quite a steep bit. I don't think we need to change it out, it's just pull away all the way back. Not on the steering wheel, there's no vibrations or noises. Really sensibly priced. We try our best to show you everything with the car, and whoever buys this car will be delighted with it. And we sell a lot of old cars and modern cars. I can tell you just from driving it, this really is an old car. Someone put all the hard work, it just wants it right. It's not a show, it's not 100% immaculate, you're not going to come away with the best of the show, but it's very, very good car and ready to use. If you like what you see, get in touch.